Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a starter on a Nissan Versa. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Next, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a wrench set. Finally, ensure your vehicle is securely lifted and supported on sturdy jack stands before you begin any work underneath. Now, let's locate the old starter. It's typically found on the lower side of the engine, often near the transmission bell housing. Once you've spotted it, carefully disconnect the main power wire and the smaller solenoid wire. After the wires are off, you can proceed to remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts that secure the starter to the engine block. Keep these bolts safe. With the old starter out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new starter into place and hand tighten its mounting bolts. Next, reconnect the main power wire and the solenoid wire to their respective terminals on the new starter. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's specified foot-pounds, ensuring a secure fit. For the final steps, securely reconnect the negative battery cable to your car's battery. Then, attempt to start the engine to confirm that your new starter is functioning correctly. Listen for a strong crank and a smooth start. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced your starter. Also, for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.